Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enter no tax on overtime using Schedule 1A. So this part is helpful because it lets you reduce the taxable portion of your overtime pay, which may lower your total tax. So go ahead and open your Schedule 1A PDF on your screen, then scroll to Part 3, No Tax on Overtime. So start on line 14A. So in here, enter your qualified overtime compensation that is already included in your W-2, usually from box 1. Then move to line 14B. If you have any overtime compensation that was not reported on your W-2, enter that amount here. After that, go to line 14C and add lines to 14A and 14B together. So this gives you your total qualified overtime compensation. Next, on line 15, enter the smaller amount between your total on line 14C or the limit shown on the form, which is $12,500 or $25,000 if married filing jointly. Now go down to line 16 and enter your total income as instructed on the form. Then on line 17, enter the threshold amount shown, which is $75,000 or $150,000 if married filing jointly. Okay, so on line 18, subtract line 17 from line 16. If the result is 0 or less, just enter 0. Next, on line 19, divide that result by 1000 and round as instructed on the form. Then on line 20, multiply line 19 by $100. And finally, go to line 21 and subtract line 20 from line 15. If the result is 0 or less, enter 0. And this final number is your qualified overtime compensation deduction. And that is it. Just follow each line in order exactly as shown on the form and you'll complete this section correctly. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.